Today we're doing pork shoulder versus pork butt. Which one makes the best barbecue pulled pork in the end? We have a pork picnic shoulder here that we're going to smoke today alongside a Boston butt. You have the skin cap on these that you can let them crisp up. Chop that up, put it in with your pulled pork. It's a game changer. You got the little crispy crackling. I'm going to use some, it's a 5 salt and 5 pepper seasoning blend that I picked up at Kroger. Private Selection brand. We're going to cook these exactly the same. The pork shoulder, the pork picnic shoulder, and the Boston butt. Cook them with the same rubs, the same mop sauce, which you'll see here in a little while, and everything, same cook temp, everything, and see which one makes the best pulled pork in the end. Get the butt up here. On this butt, it really doesn't have a lot of a fat cap, so I'm not even going to do a trim on this. This should render down during the cook and be almost non-existent at the end. And I wanted to use this particular rub just because of the Carolina style mop sauce I'm going to be basting these with throughout their cook. I figured the pepper and salt blend would go great with the flavor of a mop sauce. We're gonna get these on the smoker. Just poured some of our Carolina style mop sauce. It's a vinegar based sauce. You'll find that recipe in one of our other videos. You never want to take it out of the refrigerator and mop hot meat with cold sauce. Always just stick it in here in a pan. Put it in, let it warm up, and then you got it. You just mop it as you need to. We're gonna put our probes in the 2 cuts of meat just to monitor the internal temperature throughout the cook. I also put one in to monitor the ambient temperature of the smoker. Place one in here as the ambient temp. I'm gonna insert one right there. And we'll go into the pork shoulder picnic right there. Ready to mop these with some of our sauce. As you can see, it's heated up. That way you're not putting a cold sauce on a hot piece of meat. You're just blotching it in, mopping it. Just get it around it. And then we'll hit the pork butt with it. And we'll let these babies roll till they're about 205 internal temperature. We've reached an internal temperature on the pork picnic and the pork butt of 202. We're about to pull them off, pull them, and give them a compare. We have the pork picnic shoulder. As you can see, look at the smoke ring. It's a thick smoke ring on here. Just pulls them right apart. You want to let them rest as long as you can. We're a little crunched for time today, so didn't let them rest as long. They rested for probably 30 minutes or so. As you see, it makes great pulled pork. The bark on here is excellent. This is the crackling. That's the crackling. You take and break that up into your pork, and it's a great little crunchy bite that goes well with the pulled pork. Now we'll finish that in a minute. Now we're going to go over here to my right, and this is the pork butt, Boston butt, however you want to call it. Just going to take and, as you see, it has a smoke ring around it as well. Now, for what we've been waiting for, is the taste test. Good sample piece here. Let it cool off just a touch. And this is just with a rub. There's no sauce on it, and a mop sauce when it's cooked, but no finishing sauce. It's juicy, it's tender, it has the pork flavor. And now we're gonna try the pork picnic shoulder. Really good, it's moist. It's got a great flavor. To me, the flavor on the picnic, to me, makes better pulled pork. Honest opinion. I'm gonna chop up the pork picnic shoulder and then get it back in the pan. You can hear those crunchies, that bark. And now we're chopping the pork butt, Boston butt, whatever you call it where you're from. I'm gonna chop it up into the smallest pieces as we can, just for sandwiches and whatnot. Some of this will be left over. Be making Brunswick stew. I freeze it and use it with some smoked chicken and usually brisket, and we'll be doing that for you guys in the near future. Our vinegar mop sauce. And we'll mix that in. You don't want to add too much to take over the flavor. All right, I'll go back in and mix it up. Now we got that mixed up, and that pork picnic shoulder is ready to go. We also got some sauce, the mop sauce, mixed in here. Got it good mixed up. Boston butt, ready to serve.